In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block a user in Microsoft Teams. As our work and social lives increasingly move online, managing who can communicate with us is more important than ever. Whether it's to maintain focus during high concentration tasks or simply to uphold a healthy digital boundary, knowing how to block a user can be a valuable skill. I'm here to guide you through this process step by step, ensuring it's clear, straightforward, and easy to follow. First, you'll want to open Microsoft Teams. Now, this can be done either by launching the desktop app on your computer or by opening it in your web browser. Once you're on the Teams home screen, it's time to navigate to the chat panel. You'll find the chat icon on the left-hand side of the screen. It looks like a small speech bubble with lines representing text. Clicking on this icon will take you to a list of your recent conversations, both one-on-one chats and group discussions. From here, you'll need to locate the chat of the user you intend to block. Scroll through your recent chats or use the search bar at the top to quickly find the person's name. The search bar can be a real time saver, especially if you have a lot of conversations stored. Once you've found the chat with the person you want to block, click on it to open the conversation window. Now that you have the chat open, direct your attention to the top of the chat window. Look for the icons or options that are typically displayed at the top of this panel. You will see a few different options here, but the one you need is generally represented by 3 dots, also known as the More Options button. Clicking on this will reveal a drop-down menu. In this menu, you'll see a variety of options. What you're looking for is the Block option. Clicking Block will initiate the process of preventing this user from contacting you via chats in Microsoft Teams. Once you've selected this, a confirmation message should appear on your screen. This confirmation ensures that blocking the user is really what you intend to do, preventing any accidental misclicks. It's crucial to understand that blocking a user stops them from contacting you directly through chats, but it doesn't remove them from Teams entirely. In a professional environment, they might still be part of the same team or project, and see messages in channels where you're both members, so that's something to be aware of. There you go, you've successfully blocked a user on Microsoft Teams. Remember, if you ever change your mind, unblocking is just as simple and can be done by revisiting the same settings. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has helped you master this essential function. If you have any other questions or topics you'd like us to cover, feel free to let us know.